What is high blood pressure and how to treat it naturally? Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the heart of health, exploring 10 natural methods to lower your blood pressure. Let's jump right in. High blood pressure is also known as hypertension. It is a serious condition that causes strain on blood vessels, the heart and the kidneys, and is a major cause of a stroke and death. Normal blood pressure is a reading of 120 over 80. 140 over 90 is considered to be high. There are a variety of blood pressure monitors available to help you keep a track of your blood pressure at home, so I'll leave a link in the description for you to check these out. Symptoms that are associated with hypertension include headaches, nosebleeds, shortness of breath, and a feeling of pulsating in the neck or head. However, in 46% of cases, hypertension occurs without any symptoms, making it very dangerous because the patient may be at high risk of a stroke or heart attack without knowing it. Your doctor or cardiologist may advise that you lower your blood pressure naturally with lifestyle changes, or prescribe medication that will lower your blood pressure. Usually they recommend a combination of both. For safety reasons, it is advised that you follow the guidance of your doctor. So here are the best ways for you to reduce your blood pressure naturally. First up, reducing salt intake can significantly lower blood pressure. Even a small reduction in the salt you eat can improve your heart health and blood pressure levels. Secondly, regular physical activity is key. Just 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week can enhance heart health, aiding in managing blood pressure. Eating a healthy diet rich in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and low-fat dairy products can also make a big difference. This eating plan is known as the DASH diet. Additionally, managing stress through meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga can help lower blood pressure. Stress reduction is crucial for maintaining optimal health. Limiting alcohol consumption can also benefit your blood pressure. Drinking less alcohol can improve your health in numerous ways beyond just blood pressure. However, drinking a 150 milliliters glass of red wine per day has been linked to improving cardiovascular health. Red wines contain a molecule called resveratrol, which is good for the cardiovascular system. Cheers! Avoiding excessive caffeine intake can also help high blood pressure. This is because caffeine is a stimulant that increases heart rate. Getting a good night's sleep consistently is essential. Lack of sleep can harm your blood pressure, so aim for 7 to 8 hours a night. Finally, quitting smoking not only lowers your blood pressure, but also improves your overall heart health. It's one of the best decisions you can make for your body. Thank you for watching. Remember, making lifestyle changes can sometimes be challenging, but the benefits to your blood pressure and overall health are worth it. Stay healthy,